Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to beat the Wolt game. Many users enjoy a secret tapping game hidden within the Wolt application. It's a quick, fun challenge designed to surprise and delight. By mastering its mechanics, you can aim for top score and even earn some fantastic in-app benefits. We will go through how to find it, strategies to improve, and what rewards you might unlock. Let's dive in. To find this elusive game, simply place an order through the Wolt app. Once your order is active, tap repeatedly on the order timer displayed on your screen. After several taps, you should see a burst of food-related emojis, signaling the game has begun. It's a delightful surprise for many users, transforming a waiting period into an interactive experience. This hidden gem is ready for you to discover. To achieve a high score, speed and precision are absolutely key. Aim for rapid, continuous taps on the screen, focusing on a steady rhythm. While it might seem simple, maintaining a consistent pace is far more effective than frantic, uncontrolled tapping. Many players find that practicing for just a few minutes each day significantly boosts their performance, helping them reach impressive scores and beat personal bests. Successfully beating the game, especially the original Wolt record, can sometimes reward you with a free delivery token or even €5 in credits. These prizes are a fantastic bonus for your tapping efforts. Beyond the rewards, it's a fun way to pass the time while anticipating your order, adding an extra layer of enjoyment to your Wolt experience. Keep tapping and see what exciting benefits you can unlock.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.